Sensagraph Packaging Technology Limited, packaging simplified. As nature protecting its creations with elegance, similarly at Sensagraph, we are inspired by nature to provide such packaging solutions with safeguard your products. We are Mumbai-based manufacturer and exporter of packaging machines and equipments. Our journey started in 2007 with the motive to supply premium packaging machines, and today we have entire range of FFS machinery which are used by many companies. Our infrastructure comprises of administration, manufacturing, in-house quality testing, warehousing, packaging, sales and marketing units. Packaging machines requires an analysis of specifications, characteristics and applications. Based on these factors, we designed the machines having high performance, energy efficient, user-friendly operations and longer functional life. Our machines are easy to install, noise-free and highly accurate, thereby allowing you to use it to its full capabilities. These are useful for packaging of products such as chemicals, food, grains, flours, tablets, powders etc. to its efficiency and durability. Our experienced research and development team designed and manufactured the first Indian multi-head packaging machine. We proudly call it as Intigo. We have our customer base in Pan-India as well as in abroad. You can be rest assured with high quality, timely delivery, and post-sales service.